Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A text box is just a shape into which text is inserted. Therefore, you can format a text box the same way that you can format a shape. However, a text box also contains text you can format the same way that you can format any other text in your document. To insert a text box into your document, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Text Box drop-down button in the Text button group. Then select the Draw Text Box command. Doing this then changes your mouse pointer into a black crosshair when you hold it back over your document area. Then click and drag over the area in the document you want the text box to cover. When you release your mouse, the text box automatically inserts itself into your document. The text insertion mark appears inside of the text box, so you simply type the text you want to appear within the text box. To move the text box, click and drag the text box by its border to place it into the desired area of the document. Notice that it moves easily about the document as if it were a picture with a text wrapping style other than in line with text applied to it. To resize a text box, click and drag the resizing handles that appear around the perimeter of the text box. To edit the text inside the text box, click directly into the text within the text box to place the insertion mark cursor into the text box. You can tell when you are in editing mode within a text box by the dashed border that appears around the text box when it is in text editing mode. When finished, you can click the border of the text box to set the text and then treat the text box as if it were a shape. When the text box is selected as a shape, you can format it by using the Shape Formatting options found on the Shape Format Contextual tab in the ribbon. These settings are covered in the following lesson. Alternatively, to insert a preset text box, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Text Box drop-down button in the Text button group. Then select a preset text box to insert from the choices shown. The text box then appears within the document. You can then click and drag it by its border to place it where you desire. You can click the placeholder text within it to type your own. Note that many of these preset text boxes are actually grouped objects that consist of multiple objects like pictures and text boxes grouped together. So, you may need to carefully ensure you are selecting the correct objects within the grouped object when applying any formatting changes to these preset text boxes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.